Hey guys, taking you through a community here in Lithia Springs, which is in Douglas County. It's an established community, and it looks like the builder has bought up quite a few lots towards the back and is developing now. And when I'm taping this, it's January of 2022. So if you're interested after you see me drive through, definitely shoot me a DM with your full name, phone number, email, and put in there Lithia Springs. And what I'm going to do is add you to the list, because I want you to be one of the first ones to be able to build a brand new home over here. Now this is a great location because it's like literally right around the corner from the expressway, so it only puts you about I would say, you really, with no traffic, you could probably get to downtown, like the West End downtown area, in 20 to 25 minutes. With traffic, you're probably looking more like 25 to 30. An exit up, there's a lot of retail, and then one more exit up in Douglasville. You have a lot of shopping and restaurants and a mall. So as you can see, these homes are really nice. I always look for, when builders come in here and take over a community, to see like how well people maintain their lawn, how is the vibe of the neighborhood, and it's pretty darn nice from what I see right now pulling in. You see lots of cul-de-sacs, you see people maintaining their yards, doing some decorations, doing some enhancements to their front yard with borders and plants and stuff like that. So I think it's going to be a good opportunity for you. This builder will be able to get you, when you use their preferred lender, we're going to be able to get you some closing costs. Typically, to secure a home plan in here, it's anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 earnest money, I would say. And depending again on the incentives, I think there's going to be some incentives, especially in the first phase. Maybe some kind of credit to get blinds included, or garage door openers, stuff that does add up to an additional, $3,000 to $4,000 in incentives. So say they give you $5,000 towards your closing costs, and you're getting another $3,000 to $4,000 in credits for, like I said, blinds throughout, or garage door opener, or both. I mean, you're talking about a total incentive between $8,000 and $9,000, which is pretty darn good in this market that we're in. I think a lot of their floor plans are going to be 4 and 5 bedroom floor plans, 2-car garage. So very nice, as you can see. Some of these in the front of the community had some of the 3-car garages. I love it. So you can see people, like, they're fencing, they're maintaining it. And we're gonna drive up this hill because I think that's where a lot of the new builds are gonna be coming in. But yeah, Lithia Springs is a good location, like I said, because I would say, the main drags of Lithia Springs are Thornton Road, which a lot of people take to get to, when you take a right, you go right to the airport. So it's also, this location to be convenient, because you literally probably just go down one or two exits, and then take a right on Thornton Road, and you run right into the airport, and Camp Creek and stuff like that. And then if you make a left, you head out to Powder Springs, Austell, Mableton, all the way down to like Dallas, Georgia, Hiram, Georgia, which are really growing areas as well. So now I'm heading down this way, and then I'm going to show you. So we're entering, I think, where all the new homes are. The sign says starting from the low 300s, so we'll see when they actually finally release them. But if that's the case and they're in the 300s, I think you're gonna be able to make out really well. You can see they're starting to develop the lots over here. I see permits. See these permit signs over there to the left. These are like some basement lots. Basements may run you more towards the higher 3s into the 4s, but like I said, if you want to, especially if you get in one of these first, it looks like, you know, how many lots they have in there, maybe be like, let's see when I go around the corner, but maybe 3 or 4 phases. So if you get into lot, you know, release 1 or 2, you're talking about good equity, you know, as well. We'll do a little bit more research on a community. I don't think they have pool and clubhouse, but if they do, I'll definitely let you know. But some nice, you know, like as you can see, nice wooded lots. Some of the views all the way down there, so you get some of the basement lots over there. A couple cul-de-sacs over here. Looks like they're still developing land down there, so yeah, maybe it will be a 3 or 4 phase community. Like I said, I've been scouring the MLS. I've been like, obviously, you know, when I go for my Mark's home tours, I'm driving all around Georgia. I've gone from Brazelton, Georgia, down to Locust Grove, Georgia, in search of, you know, new homes for you guys, some great resales as well. And it's getting harder and harder to get anything brand new with a 3 in front of it. And then being that this is like I said, maybe 2 exits down from a mall, tons of shopping, your easy access to the expressway, like literally about, when you pull out of the subdivision, you're less than a minute from the expressway, so easy to get in and out. These nice wooded lots you can kind of see over here. I think it's a great opportunity for you. So if you're interested, again, shoot me your full name, phone number, and email. Just to be clear, because sometimes people get really confused by this, but we find these opportunities for you. So we are the buyer agents, which means we will represent you for free. Please don't reach out to us if you're already under contract with another agent. Let them do their work. This is strictly for people that want to be part of the Great Homes ATL family. I can see down there, they're starting to, you could see, this is before they laid a slab foundation, so they're starting to get that ready. With this builder, they've been typically releasing them as the slabs get poured, so it should be pretty soon. Like I said, I'm taping this in January of 2022. I expect maybe the lot releases to happen sometime towards the end of this month and into February. Get you one of these. Like I said, you know, we're going to be able to make it a smooth process because the lender is in-house. So they're going to handle everything. You're going to get the incentives, which are typically at least $5,000 in closing costs. And it's going to put you, like I said, only 20-25 minutes to downtown Atlanta, probably 25 to 30 minutes to the airport. And then, you know, you could go back roads really easily to Cobb County, South Fulton County, and of course, here in Douglas County, if you're going the other direction, Carroll and Paulding. So just let me know, and we'll be in touch soon. Remember, full name, phone number, email, mention Lithia Springs, mention also you don't have an agent, and we will get you going on this process. I'll talk to you soon.